Machine details. 1. This machine can finish forming bag, measuring material, filling, sealing, counting, date, code printing, all the work automatically. 2. Photoelectric and tracing system or computer system can be provided without your specific requirements. 3. The PLC controller has the advantages such as setting the length of the bag, the output alarm and the speed and quantity with buttons. This machine can be installed to code printer for 1-3 lines characters such as production and expiry date according to your special request. FBB 300 sachet packing machine are widely used to rice, millet, corn, soft candy, hard candy, puffed tofu, popcorn, nut granules, dried fruit granules, etc.